YouTube money making options. moaviafiaz8@gmail.com. Who to earn money with YouTube? There are several ways to earn money on YouTube. Advertising revenue. Once you have a certain number of subscribers and views, you can monetize your content by allowing ads to appear on your videos. Google AdSense is the most popular advertising platform for YouTube. Sponsorships. Brands may reach out to you to sponsor your content. This is when a brand pays you to promote their product in your video. Merchandise. You can sell your own merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and other products to your subscribers. Super Chat and Super Stickers. If you have a live stream on YouTube, your viewers can send you Super Chat and Super Stickers. This allows viewers to send you money in exchange for their comment being highlighted or for a specific sticker to be displayed during the live stream. YouTube Premium Revenue. If you create high-quality content, you may be eligible to earn a share of the revenue from YouTube Premium subscribers who watch your content. It's important to note that building an audience and making money on YouTube takes time and effort. You need to consistently create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience, engage with your viewers, and optimize your channel for discovery and growth.